Hello, I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks. Every day, I share real effective ways to help men restore their strength and confidence. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Let's get started. Here's a surprising fact. The secret to stronger, longer-lasting erections isn't in a pill. It's in your glass of water. Yes, water. But most men are drinking it completely wrong, and it's silently sabotaging their performance. I'm going to show you how a small change in when and how you drink water can dramatically boost blood flow, energy, and firmness, all while you sleep. By the end of this video, you'll understand why hydration plays such a huge role in your performance, what nearly every man overlooks, and a simple nighttime routine that helps your body recharge and wake up stronger by morning. Let's dive in. Let's begin with a simple truth. Erections are about circulation. When you're aroused, your brain sends signals that cause blood vessels in the penis to open wide, allowing a surge of blood to enter. The strength and firmness of that erection depend entirely on how well your blood flows and how healthy your vessels are. Now think about what happens when your body doesn't have enough water. Blood becomes thicker and moves more slowly. Your vessels, instead of being soft and elastic, tighten and narrow. The result? Sluggish circulation, weaker oxygen delivery, and tissues that don't receive the nutrients they need to stay responsive. Dehydration also alters your body chemistry. When water levels drop, your system produces cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol's job is to conserve energy and fluids, not to support sexual function. And it competes directly with testosterone, the hormone that fuels desire, stamina, and firmness. So every time you run low on hydration, you're sending your body the signal to shut down performance and focus on survival. In short, dehydration quietly undermines the entire system. Thicker blood, tighter vessels, lower testosterone, higher stress hormones, and slower nerve signals. And that last part, the nervous system, is critical. Erections aren't just the plumbing issue. They're also electrical. Your brain and nerves use tiny electrical impulses to tell your body when to relax, when to send blood, and when to stay firm. Water conducts electricity in your body through minerals and electrolytes. Without enough fluid, those signals weaken and delay, leading to slower arousal and less dependable results. Now let's address the most common mistake. Most men wait until they're thirsty, then chug water all at once. But thirst is a late signal. By the time you feel it, your body is already short on fluid. And when you suddenly flood your system with water, it can't absorb it all. Much of it passes straight through you, which is why you find yourself running to the bathroom without actually rehydrating your cells. Think of your body like a dry sponge. Pour a full cup of water on it and most runs off. But drip water slowly and steadily and the sponge absorbs deeply. That's exactly how your tissues work. Small, consistent sips throughout the day allow your body to absorb, circulate, and use water effectively, supporting hormone balance, blood flow, and nerve transmission all at once. Hydration isn't about reaction, it's about rhythm. Instead of waiting for your body to beg for water, support it before the warning signs appear. Over time, this steady rhythm not only helps with erections, but also boosts energy, mood, and mental sharpness. After all, every cell in your body depends on water to function. Now let's get to the evening trick that can make a difference overnight. About 1 to 2 hours before bed, drink a single glass of water, around 200 to 300 milliliters. This small amount is perfect, enough to rehydrate your system for the night, but not enough to fill your bladder and interrupt your sleep. Timing is crucial. Drink too close to bedtime, and you'll wake up for bathroom trips that ruin deep sleep. Drink too early, and your body will use the water before it's time to repair. That one well-timed glass ensures hydration is available exactly when your body begins its nightly recovery cycle. During deep sleep, your body performs miracles. Testosterone peaks, tissues repair, blood vessels restore elasticity, and your nervous system resets. But if you go to bed even slightly dehydrated, that repair process slows down. Circulation doesn't fully recover, hormone production lags, and you wake up feeling less rested and less responsive. That small glass of water gives your body the raw material it needs to repair efficiently. It's like fueling a machine before you leave it running overnight. The better the input, the stronger the output in the morning. To take this to the next level, add a squeeze of lemon to that evening glass. Lemon does more than improve taste. It provides vitamin C, which keeps blood vessels flexible and helps your body produce nitric oxide, the natural compound that tells your arteries to relax and open wide for healthy blood flow. Nitric oxide is at the heart of every erection, and without it, firmness becomes much harder to achieve. Lemon also helps balance the body's pH and fights hidden inflammation, two factors that silently damage circulation over time. And here's another tip. Earlier in the day, you can add a pinch of sea salt or electrolyte powder to your water. Not before bed, but sometime midday. Electrolytes help your body absorb and hold water more effectively, ensuring hydration actually reaches your cells instead of just passing through. The key word here is balance, hydration that nourishes your body without overwhelming it. When you combine these small details, steady water intake during the day, one perfectly timed glass before bed, and a touch of lemon or electrolytes, you create the exact conditions your body needs for healthy blood flow, hormone function, and overnight recovery. Of course, that bedtime glass is only part of the bigger picture. The other most important time to drink water is first thing in the morning. After 7 or 8 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Even if you don't feel thirsty, you've lost fluid through breathing, sweating, and metabolism overnight. That first glass after waking up acts like a switch. It reactivates your circulation, clears toxins, rehydrates tissues, and sets the tone for your energy and performance all day long. Blood flows easier, oxygen delivery increases, and your brain and muscles start the morning fully awake. For men over 50, this is a simple but powerful way to prime your body for better vitality. Another smart moment to hydrate is 30 minutes before meals. This helps digestion, smooths blood sugar levels, and supports vascular health. Why does that matter? Because sharp blood sugar spikes damage the delicate inner lining of your arteries. When those vessels lose flexibility, circulation slows, and so does erectile strength. Steady hydration helps protect those blood vessels and the performance they support. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Avoid drinking large amounts of water right before bed. Waking up 2 or 3 times a night to urinate breaks up deep sleep, and deep sleep is when testosterone and growth hormone are produced. Interrupting that cycle means interrupting recovery. Also, avoid sugary drinks, sodas, and alcohol. They dehydrate you, strain your liver, and raise inflammation. Alcohol may make you feel relaxed temporarily, but it reduces testosterone and dulls nerve sensitivity. Sugary drinks spike insulin, damage blood vessels, and undo all the benefits of good hydration. Stick to clean water, maybe with lemon or herbal infusions if you want flavor. So let's bring everything together. Erections after 50 aren't simply about age. They're about circulation, hydration, and hormonal balance. And by mastering hydration, you're directly supporting all three. Here's the formula. Sip water steadily throughout the day, not all at once. Have a glass an hour or 2 before bed, ideally with lemon. Start your morning with a full glass to reactivate your system. Support absorption with light electrolytes earlier in the day. Try this for 3 weeks. Be consistent. Notice how your energy, focus, and morning firmness change. You may be surprised by how quickly your body responds once it finally has the hydration it's been missing. I'm Dr. Victoria Brooks, and I want you to remember this. Your body isn't past its prime. It's simply waiting for the right support to perform the way it was designed to. With smart, steady habits, you can restore energy, confidence, and vitality naturally. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more real, science-based tips on men's health, prostate wellness, and vitality after 50. Your best years aren't behind you. They're ahead, waiting for you to take care of yourself the right way.